Tata Motors, one of India's biggest automobile giants, is in serious trouble. The stock has crashed a shocking 42% from its peak, wiping out a massive 1.8 lakh rupees crore in investor wealth. Revolving light, investors are panicking. Brokers are slashing targets. But the big question is, why is Tata Motors falling, and should you buy, hold, or sell? Let's break it down, in a way that you can understand. Downward trend, the massive crash. What's happening? Before this, please note that this is not a buying-selling recommendation video. Please consult with your financial advisor before investment. Tata Motors was flying high just a few months ago. In July 2024, it touched an all-time high of 1,176 rupees per share. But today, it's struggling at 667 rupees, a 14-month low. That's a 42% drop. If you had invested 1 lakh rupees at the peak, your investment would now be worth just 58,000 rupees. That's painful. Pushpin, the 4 big reasons behind the fall. So, why is Tata Motors falling? Here are 4 major reasons. Keycap 1 week Q3 FY25 results. Downward trend, net profit down by 22.5%. Bar graph, revenue barely grew, just 2.7%. Car JLR's luxury car sales are slowing down. Basically, Tata Motors failed to impress investors with its latest earnings report. Keycap 2 JLR's struggles in global markets. China's luxury car market is down 14%. Flag European Union, Europe's luxury car market is shrinking. Money bag, high interest rates equals fewer luxury car buyers. Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, is a huge revenue driver for Tata Motors, but weak demand is hitting its sales hard. Keycap 3, India's auto market is cooling off. Lorry commercial vehicle, CV, sales are slowing down. Car passenger vehicle, PV, demand is moderating. Even in India, Tata Motors truck and car sales are facing a slowdown. And when demand weakens, stocks fall. Keycap 4 analysts are turning bearish. Downward trend, Jefferies downgraded the stock to underperform with a 660 rupees target. Bar graph, Motilal Oswal cut EBITDA estimates by 5%. When big brokerages lower their targets, investors start selling, and stock prices fall further. Tata Motors financials, should you worry? Let's quickly look at Tata Motors' key financial metrics. The numbers show strong profitability, but the high debt and demand slowdown are concerning. What next? Will Tata Motors recover? So, what's next for Tata Motors? Will it recover, or is this just the beginning of more pain? Faced with monocle positives, checkmark, luxury car demand in China and Europe could pick up in H1 2025. Checkmark, interest rate cuts by ECB could boost auto sales. Checkmark, Tata Motors' intrinsic value is 663 rupees, close to current price. Warning, negatives, crossmark, weak earnings could continue for 1-2 more quarters. Crossmark, analysts are cutting targets. Crossmark stock still faces resistance at 775 rupees. Rocket, final verdict, buy, hold, or sell? If you are a long-term investor, this could be a good opportunity to accumulate slowly. But be ready for short-term pain. If you are a trader, watch the resistance at 775 rupees. If it breaks, a bounce is possible. And if you're holding heavy losses, wait for better clarity in the next quarter before making any decisions. What do you think? Will Tata Motors recover or fall further? Drop a fire, buy if you're bullish, or sell if you think more pain is ahead. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stock market insights. See you in the next one. Rocket.